Hi, it's Jeff again with Family Legacy Estate Sale. We're going to be opening another bin today from this large collection that we obtained from a gentleman who's moved to Japan. Anyway, everything that you see will be available for sale on our website, www.familylegacyestatesale.com. Like our videos on YouTube and Facebook if you want to continue to see these videos and other informational videos that we put out frequently. So let's just jump right into this bin, see what we've got. And it starts off with a Transformer, Japanese packaging. At least it's got a Japanese sticker on the bottom. Figure named Kickback. Again, factory sealed, very neat item. And we've got a box that's got from Takara, it looks like a Transformer. Let's see what we got in here. I'm gonna have to learn how to read Japanese. Oh, we've got two. These look like reissues of first generation Transformers. Optimus Prime. And I think, because I've seen the original box, so I think these were the reissues. 2019 they're dated, so those are very cool for you collectors out there who can't afford the first generation original release in a box, which are very expensive, especially a box in this kind of condition. It's a great item for you guys out there. And we've got a loose item. Not many loose items in this gentleman's collection, but they're always complete. And I'm gonna guess that this one is complete, and this is a Transformer. I don't know all Transformers names off the top of my head, but it's got the two weapons. It's in fabulous condition. So I'm guessing that this is complete. And it looks like it's probably a first generation 85, 86 time frame. The dates sometimes are hard to find on Transformers because they put them in a variety of different places. But it's in beautiful condition, so we'll get that out on the website. And it's got a clamshell case to go with it. What do we got here? We've got another one that's been bubble wrapped, which generally is a good thing because it's a more expensive item, and it looks like it's a re-release from the old Micronauts line. Micronauts, which were around in the late 70s up until about 80, 81 in this country, were made by Mego, and it was based upon a Microman figure, which was released a few years before that in Japan. And this looks like one of the re-releases of Microman that was done. I'm not sure what year this was, but these are very, very collectible by people. So that's a cool one to have. We've got a Transformers Kingdom Warren Cybertron figure, and it's Optimus Prime. Factory sealed. We've got another Transformer. Wreck-Gar. Studio Series. Once again, factory sealed. Oh, we got a booklet. Blitzwing. The Blitzwing booklet. Oh, that is, it goes with this tank, I believe. So this is Blitzwing. And this is the instructions on using that. Actually, there's some more parts to it as well. It didn't fit in the clamshell, evidently. So that looks like it's going to be a complete figure, as I mentioned before. And then, got another one called, looks like it's called Robot Man. And this is really packaged well. I'm not even finding the seam of the tape. Oh, there's something I can get my finger under. Let's see what we got here. Oh, it looks like it goes goes with the Microman figure. Because I see on the back side of this, I'll get the front side in a second, you've got a Microman figure that goes inside of this larger robot. And this is all factory sealed. Looks like they threw a little bit of 1970s photography in there. This is, I'm sure, a re-release. But that's a very cool item. And finally, that larger Transformer, Unite Warriors Aerialbots Combiner Superion. So Unite Warriors, all factory sealed. Very, very cool. So keep watching our videos. And again, everything that you've seen me open today will be on our website, www.familylegacyestatesale.com. We'll see you soon.